Now I will open the mystery box that I already made.
Show them the tool. Nice.
I made this from a YouTube thing I watched from the King of Random. And sometimes this piece gets a little bit stuck, so you can use this to also take it out. Long fingernails are included.
Oh, secret compartment.
And then this has 2 secret compartments. And then it just comes together quite easily with just this, with just a few pieces of wood that I got from Home Depot.
And that little dowel does what?
And that little dowel makes it so this one can't open yet. Oops.
Oh, pushing it in too far could be a problem.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you reset the screw, which locks the whole thing.
Yep. It's kind of like a
And
chain of
that's it.
events. This opens, then this can open, then this can open. Can't do it in any other order.